come back.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.
Let's begin. It's very crowded.
River.
It's getting very, very crowded.
In front of a very large crowd.
In a very crowded restaurant with witnesses.
No, we're very crowded this evening, sir.
The place is packed.
God, the place is packed.
Gosh, this place is packed.
Why is this place so packed tonight?
The place is packed with TV executives.
Isn't this wonderful? The place is packed.
This place is packed. Let's do this quickly.
She was cruel. Yeah, she was very, very cruel.
She was cruel.
She was a cruel, cranky old bitch.
That's cruel.
That's barbaric.
Totally barbaric.
It's barbaric.
Sacrificing animals is barbaric.
It's also barbaric.
And the games were barbaric.
Very dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Hazardous driving conditions.
Adjusting for hazardous conditions.
The conditions are hazardous, unsafe.
I'm trying to explain that guns are hazardous and unsafe.
Exact predictions are hazardous.
We're dead. So very, very dead.
He'll realize that Tutu was just dead. Very, very dead.
You look very dead-like.
Very much like not dead.
Very, very dead. Manless. Lifeless.
Not lifeless enough.
Pins. Lifeless?
Okay. Dead. Lifeless.
In lifeless environment.
Cold, frozen, and lifeless.
XY's music is so cold and lifeless, repetitive, mundane.
They're very delicious.
They are very, very delicious.
They're good.
Oh,
They're delicious.
They're delicious.
They're lethally delicious.
Scrumptious. Delectable.
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious again.
with your tasty, juicy, scrumptious.
The better to smell your scrumptious aroma with.
Scrumptious mooncakes. Fresh for tonight.
Scrumptious.
Some very detailed sketches.
Tom, that is a very detailed sketch.
This is a very detailed program. Oh, wow, this is so detailed.
Again, very detailed.
Meticulous.
Meticulously designed experiments.
Meticulous planning. They're so meticulously planned.
Meticulous. Yes. Methodical. Educated.
It's only a heavily researched, meticulously detailed.
I've designed it with meticulous attention to detail.
She's very emotional.
She is very emotional.
This is very emotional for me.
This is emotional for me.
It makes me very emotional.
Overwhelming.
Overwhelmed?
It's overwhelming.
Overwhelmed. You get
Overwhelming.
It's overwhelming sometimes.
It's overwhelming.
He's very enthusiastic about smelling in general. He's enthusiastic about everything.
I'm also enthusiastic about sand.
I'm enthusiastic about it too.
I haven't been too enthusiastic about it.
I'm ecstatic.
I'm ecstatic.
You're ecstatic.
Static. Aren't you?
gorgeous, Kim. She's gonna be ecstatic.
Well, you must be ecstatic.
Very evil, don't you think?
And I smell cat. The very, very evil kind.
And a very evil one at that.
Something very evil lurks in this tape.
Evil, evil.
Diabolical.
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 You are diabolical.
That is diabolical.
It was diabolical.
Oh, that's diabolical.
Exciting, very exciting, but
Very exciting.
Very excited.
So excited! Very, 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 very excited! I'm so very, very, very excited to...
Thrilled.
Sounds thrilling.
Absolutely thrilled.
He's absolutely thrilled to have you.
Nothing thrilling.
I'm thrilled.
I'm thrilled.
Some fake, yet others very, very real.
Very elaborate fake grocery store.
It's fake, it's all fake. She's a fake!
Phony? Something phony?
You're phony. I hate phony.
And I hate phony publicity seekers.
Totally phony.
She's such a phony.
You're a major phony.
You're phony! Fakey!
He's a phony!
It's very famous.
He's a very famous actor.
I'm Token. Oh, Daddy is a very famous actor.
Just a regular famous actor.
I may be famous, but I'm just a regular girl.
The renowned biologist?
Renowned geneticist, cheese enthusiast.
A world-renowned expert in parenting and child development.
Wait, you're world-renowned diamond expert?
From a world-renowned interior designer.
World-renowned designer, Esteban Cortázar.
Full of mani-pedis is renowned.
Fancy.
I know. It's very, very fancy. It looked very fancy back then. They're very fancy.
To my very fancy dinner party.
Appropriately lavish gift instead.
Elite at her lavish Saturnalia.
Gather round and lavish me with affection.
Oh, quite the lavish employers, aren't you?
Inhabited some of the most lavish castles and palazzos on the continent.
Yes, to the lavish mafia-style villa of the Don.
Lavishly illustrated magazine.
Really fierce.
Fierce. Fierce.
Friendliness. Fierceness.
A fierce friend.
And fiercely for as long.
Ferociously.
Unbelievably ferocious.
Ferocious masturbating accident.
Any ferocious demon. Is that your ferocious demon there?
Ooh, that's very ferocious. The ferocious Master Cry.
Very flexible.
I'm, flexible.
It's very flexible.
Nice flexibility, Cloud Chaser.
Flexible.
And limber.
She's still limber.
Wow, you are so limber.
And I want to be limber.
All right, just gotta limber up. Up the old tap pulling arm. Oh, me. Foolish.
Foolish child.
And a foolish child in every old soul.
Foolish child. You do not.
Absurd.
Absurd.
That's absurd.
Yeah, that's absurd.
It's absurd.
How absurd.
It's absurd.
You are very fortunate.
For that, you're very fortunate. You are.
Is that bad? I think you're very fortunate.
I don't think I'm very fortunate.
You're very fortunate. I'm blessed. So blessed.
I'm so blessed.
I'm very blessed.
We are so blessed.
Gosh, we're blessed.
We are. But,
We are so blessed to have walked away with our lives.
As I said, we are blessed.
Thanks for coming.